Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whenever you come across this video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this little token that we got for our son. He's going to be celebrating his birthday on the 16th of March. So on the 16th of March, it's going to be 1 year old. Yes, so myself and my husband, we decided to surprise him with this little token. So, and in here we've got electric toy car. Yes. So come along and let's unbox it together. So we decided to make this video while they are sleeping. So it's going to be a surprise. Wow, guys, we got some work to do here. I think we are going to fix them up. We need to cut this out. Oh yes. This is a stairway. So guys, I think the product of this car is Maserati. Maserati is written here. Is written here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maserati. That's the product of this car. It actually came with 4-wheel. That's 4 tire. They're plastic. This is the chair to sit down. So I think this is what they put on the tire, like this. So this is the logo. This is the logo. Maserati. Yes, it also came with a remote control, like a PS. Okay. Then I think it came as well with a charger. Because let's see. Also came with a charger. Like, guys, we've got some work to do here. So this is how it looks inside. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So guys, this is it. So now I'm going to hand over this part to my husband to fix it up, because honestly I can't do it. I will not be able to do it. So I'm going to come back and show you guys the outcome of this beautiful Maserati car. So guys, this is the outcome. My husband has already coupled it, so this is how it looks like. Let's try it. You can also use the remote as well. So guys, it has music as well. Let's see. So you can also change it. Yes. So it also has lights, trafficator light, or whatever they call it. You can see it at the front. It's reflecting, and also at the back. So guys, thank you very much for watching. God bless you. This is the outcome of the car, the toy car, electric toy car. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave your comments down below on what you think about this car. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to wish my son a happy birthday. Bye bye, see you in my next video.